healthiest vegetable in the world and we have completely forgotten it. Did you know that watercress is loaded with iron and it contains more iron than spinach and it also contains more vitamin C than lemons and oranges? This is really amazing, right? This super healthy plant is loaded with many healthy nutrients and it can provide many healing properties, but the bad thing is that this plant was somehow forgotten over the generations. This amazing and super healthy plant originates Eurasia, but today it is widespread and can be found almost everywhere in the world. A recent study has discovered that this amazing and super healthy vegetable is currently the healthiest vegetables on the planet. So, now you probably ask yourself, why? Well, you should know that watercress stops and reduces oxidative stress and increases the antioxidant effect. This super healthy vegetable can provide other health benefits as well, such as, purifies the blood, refreshes, stimulates appetite, and purifies the entire body. Many people around the world use this super healthy vegetable, in the form of fresh juice. Many experts around the world highly recommend that you should consume the juice of watercress in a ratio of 1:5, 1 watercress juice and 5 parts of water, because it's powerful plant and it can cause an inflammation of the stomach and throat if you drink just pure watercress juice. You should also know that you shouldn't drink this juice every day. You should drink it every other day. You should also know that watercress juice is extremely useful and beneficial for external uses as well. You can use this juice to treat many different skin diseases, skin impurities, hair loss, etc. Here's what you need to do. You can simply rub the juice on the affected area or you can make and use a watercress compress. So, if you use a compress of crushed leaves, you should know that the watercress reduces the appearance of sunspots on the skin. Many different studies have found that watercress can stop tumor growth and metastasis. Tests were conducted on animals, if the watercress extract is injected into the body. Some experts claim that this super healthy vegetable is also very useful in treating and preventing cardiovascular diseases and stops the spread of breast cancer. At the same time, it is recommended that heavy smokers should eat a salad of watercress because of its excellent effects in preventing the harmful effects of smoking. How to make a watercress compress? Here's what you need to do. First, you need to chop the leaves of watercress into small pieces. Note, make sure you clean the affected area before you apply the watercress compress with alcohol. When you are done with the compress, you need to secure it with a bandage. Make sure you leave the compress on your skin from 2 to 4 hours. After that, you need to remove it and wash that area with cold water. Note, as we said, you can use this watercress method to treat many different skin problems. The watercress salad. How to make watercress salad? Here's what you need to do. First, you need to wash the leaves. Then, you need to put them in salt water and vinegar and leave them for an hour. After that, you need to mix the watercress with chopped garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, some salt and pepper. Note, before you eat this salad, leave it for 3 hours. This salad is good as a dietary food in the diseases that were mentioned above. We really hope you find this video and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.